How to fix lag in Roblox Mobile with app. To fix lag on Roblox Mobile, the process is straightforward. To resolve the lag issues, ensure that your app is updated with no pending updates. To verify that, you can open your Play Store or App Store according to your device, click on the search bar at the top, and then type in Roblox. Once you find the application, look for the update button. If it's visible, simply tap on it to update it to its latest version available. Once you have confirmed this, open the Roblox application and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now, open a game you'd like to play. Then tap on the Roblox icon in the top left corner, click on Settings, and then scroll down and adjust the graphics quality and graphics mode. Additionally, you can also click on the game settings and then adjust the graphic quality to low. Adjust the game settings to lower performance demands while playing. And additionally, consider using a game booster app. There is an app called Game Turbo, which enhances game speed and minimizes background activities on phone. So you can go ahead and open Play Store or App Store and download it from there. It's that simple. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.